Hey y'all, welcome to this video. It's Blake. Tonight I'm getting ready. I'm going to dinner and I'm excited to get a little bit dressed up. I have like a really pretty red dress to wear and I'm gonna do my makeup like natural glowy. Well, my makeup's always natural, honestly, but it's gonna be pretty glowy. I've been using sunscreen, so my face is like super glowy lately, and then the humidity and like there's like the humidity levels in Guam, like my skin just doesn't dry out, so it kind of like makes me look almost sweaty. So that's the kind of look that I'm going for, like a natural like blushy look. Since the dress I'm gonna wear is red, I could probably do like a good blush. I'm going to get started on my makeup early because sometimes, you know, like I kind of want to rest. Like I'm getting dressed a little bit early, but that's only so I can like sit down and like chill out for a minute before we leave. So yeah, I'm going to dinner tonight with my boyfriend, and earlier I was thinking like it's kind of funny because like I'm never really like mentioned my boyfriend that much, but now that I'm like here visiting, it's kind of have to bring it up because like, what are you in Guam for? Like, did you travel by yourself? You know, stuff like that. And it just feels like more natural to like bring it up, I guess, more often now. What was funny is that a lot of my get ready with me's in the past have been getting ready to like basically go on dates with him. I just didn't really say. And I was talking to my friend one day, and I'm like, why didn't I ever say like that would have been like a cute thing, you know, like going on a date type thing. I just never, there's just like so many, even before we were together, like so many videos where I was going. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do eyeshadow or anything like that, but I think I will put on some lashes. I have these like natural looking lashes that are pretty cute. It's like basically mascara look, so I like that. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So to prime, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Control Mattifying Primer. Because I do like the sunscreen. I like the glow, but then at the same time it does like make me shiny like really early, and so I don't know if this kind of like cancels it out, or I don't know. But yeah, I have been using sunscreen every day now as a part of my routine, and I don't know if I can tell I don't know if it's like, I don't know if it's really a difference, or maybe it's just like my eating, but my skin's been looking really good. I just had this like one bump like last week or the week before, but it was hormonal, so it just went away. And they always like, I always get them like in this area because of my cycle, and then it leaves like a mark like that. So it's oftentimes I like have like a little mark right there on my cheek, but they fade away pretty easily. Oh yeah, so the dress that I have is like my arms are out and like it's short, so my legs are out. And I'm someone like, so I like moisturize really well with shea butter, but I'm like a person, I don't like, if I don't have to wear lotion, I really don't like to. I don't like wearing lotion. And it reminded me of when I used to play volleyball. I played volleyball in middle school, and I was like gonna do it in high school. Like I was pretty good at it, you know. I won't say pretty good, I was just like tall, so it was kind of like I just had an advantage. And I played club volleyball and everything. It was like a short stint, but it felt like a big part of my life. But anyways, in volleyball, like the girls, like everyone was just obsessed with not being ashy. And I would be ashy like all the time, and you're like, oh, you're ashy, like you need some lotion. And like it was just like to me it just felt like an extra pressure, like, oh my gosh, I can't be ashy, when actually I like didn't care. Like I just don't like lotion. I don't like feeling sticky. To me, like having lotion on makes me feel sticky, not really like soft and nice. Like it just feels sticky to me, especially after you like been outside. And then I really should break open this beauty blender. I brought this just for my travels because I hadn't had a new one in a while, so I'm gonna use it. I think it would go nicely with this style of makeup. I've been using brushes only, which is completely different than my normal. I'm a sponge girl. I love using a sponge, and then only since I've been here have I been using brushes, which I actually like. Like I can do either or, honestly. I have so many brushes, so I was like, let me just try and use some of these. I really don't have that much of a difference, I guess. Like I can get the look I want either way. The fan is connected to the light in this bathroom, so it has to be on. There's no way like I can turn it off. I do try to fix the audio in post, so it might not be that noticeable, but just in case like it sounds a little funny, that's me trying to fix it a little bit, because I feel like I'm yelling right now, trying to talk over it. I use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, Satin Finish in Deep Chestnut. My favorite concealer. I've been using it for a while now, and it's like super affordable. It's like so good and affordable that I'll probably always use this one now, because sometimes I'll go back and forth. Like I'll splurge on like a high-end one, but then it's like this one does just good enough, and it's much cheaper, like $20 less than a high-end one. So I like that one. I honestly might do mascara. I always get lazy when it gets to like the lashes part, and I'm like, I might just do mascara. So I have the same kind of mascara, but this one is just the 16-Hour Camo Concealer by e.l.f. And we're gonna do a good amount tonight. But I blend this out with a brush. Oh, wait, this is the one I use? Yeah, I think I'll just like to do a brush with this one. And then, where is it? I've been using cream blush. This is Fenty Beauty Cream Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush and Daiquiri Dip. And I use like the same brush and dip it in and do like the high points. And I like the way this like feels and blends in with like everything. I don't even know if you can tell on camera, but I'm putting it on there. Gonna go in with my setting powder, which I have been using a brush for, and I think I like using a brush because it just makes it like a lighter finish. Even though when you use like a wet beauty blender, it also blends in really nicely. My makeup goes by so fast. All right, and then I have my finishing powder, which is the Fenty Beauty Powder Foundation, and I just like use this to like blend everything together, kind of. Like I don't even use that much, but I definitely go under my eye. I like this because it's buildable, so you can do like a light coverage, like just a small tint, but then you can kind of build it up. I'm gonna build it up a little bit. I've got some bronzer, Fenty's bronzer. Do I have an updated makeup routine? I don't think so. I think I have to film a new one. But I have a couple makeup videos. But I have all the products I use in the description box. I was gonna do an eye look, but I'm like, not tonight. But I am gonna put the bronzer on my eyelid. I think yeah, hold on. I'm gonna go over it again. I think I'm just gonna do mascara. I don't think I'm gonna do the lash. But I'm gonna take my time with the mascara and like build it up. And then I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush and use this as eyeshadow and blend that out a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more blush. This is a pink blush. I thought I brought the red one. This is the AOA Studio from Shop Miss A, a pink blush. All right, I think that's enough. On camera it doesn't look like it, but in person, it's getting dark. And sometimes I like to take the powder brush and just kind of like blend it in right there. And lastly, I don't know, I've been using highlighter a little bit. The tropical weather has me using like highlighter again. It just feels right, you know? Like I literally stopped. I haven't worn highlighter in years. I just stopped using it, and so I have like these highlighters, but I brought one and I just do it like super lightly, like barely. Don't want too much. And I'm gonna put some in my inner corner. Face is done. Next is eyebrows. I just did a full eyebrow routine, shaping them, like cleaning them up, tinting them, and then how I fill them in. So if you want like the full tutorial, you can go and watch that. I have it linked. So I'm going to brush them out a little bit. I think I'm gonna do a little edge control on them today. Cute. I wanted them a little bit bushier looking, but I'm gonna have to go back over them. Once the edge control dries, I'll do the brow gel one more time. But now I'm gonna clean them up with concealer. All right, that's good enough. All right, last up is mascara. All right, so I'm gonna go with mascara and a mascara primer. I don't know if these actually work. if the primers actually work, but I'm just gonna do it today because I'd rather not put on a lash. Just don't feel like it. That is not the vibes. I'm doing a little bit of lip liner. This is Trendsetter by Morphe. My like favorite lip liner. Now I'm just gonna do my edges with Style Factor. I'm gonna let these set and I'll be back with my finished look. Alright, so I've been so excited to share this. This is just me finishing getting ready. I was showing y'all my jewelry. I ended up changing my earrings and then we were off. I ended up filming my get ready with me for my proposal night. Like, how exciting is that? I was so happy. So initially, like, I had no idea. I thought we were just going out, you know, like it was the weekend. Like, so I was just filming a get ready with me to film a video for y'all. And I'm so glad that like I have the get ready with me of my proposal. So just kind of like a tapas bar, like hangout lounge at the top of a hotel, and it was so nice. There was like live music, there was a pianist, like a jazz singer. My boyfriend proposed to me and I said yes, so I'm officially engaged. It's like pretty exciting feeling. Yeah, I had a really nice time. I think the ring is so pretty. Our waitress like saw the proposal and then ended up bringing us like a congratulatory dessert, which is so sweet. Yeah, it's like really, really exciting. And I just took like the last couple of days to take everything in, talk to my family. We told all of our family, had lots of group FaceTime calls. I'll definitely catch y'all up more later on. But that's what's been going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.